Hi everyone, my name is Parubita and welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing well. And today's video is on the tricks and the reason of including dry fruits daily in your diet. So being on weight loss journey, I got to know that right from the skin benefits to the medicinal benefits, dry fruits or nuts give us the tremendous reason to take this in our daily diet. So I'm the person who feels very lazy to soak the almond or raisins or walnut in the water and then to peel it and have. So I substitute this method with my tricks, and I also mention the reason that why we should take dry fruits daily in our diet.
So the reason to include dry fruits daily in your diet. So the first one is almond, which improves hemoglobin. You can soak and roast it also. Second is pumpkin seeds, it improves the energy and immunity. Third is walnut, which improves the brain function. Then the cashew, which improves the good skin. Then pistachios, which stable the blood sugar level. Then flax seeds, which enhance the good hair growth. And then dates, which improve the digestion. And figs or anjeer is good for bone health, and raisins is good for anemia.
So guys, to make this video I have done so much research regarding the dry fruits, when to take, why to take, how much to take, what are the ways you have to take. So I thought it will be helpful for you who are on the weight loss journey and even who want to lead a healthy lifestyle.
So trick number 1 is protein powder or protein paste.
So basically this powder is a protein powder, you can say, or the protein paste also you can say. So basically you can use this powder early morning when you used to have the hot water with lemon. You can have a spoonful of this powder. If you don't have honey, or if you don't have any sweetening agent like jaggery or the coconut sugar, you can use this paste. Fig, raisins and date paste.
So let's start with the recipe. First of all, dry roast all the dry fruits properly and then cool it down for some time and add into the mixie grinder and grind it properly. And for the paste, we'll take a fig, raisins and dates, we'll soak them in water and we'll make a paste in a grinder. Then trick number 2 is dry fruit laddu.
I will show you this. This is dry fruit laddu. So you can try this. It's yum. Let's see the recipe.
So we'll take the same dry fruits again. We will dry roast it and we'll take dates. We won't soak it, and we'll take raisins. Even for raisins also we won't soak it. Together we will put in the mixie grinder and then we'll give a good mix. After that we'll take a spoonful of ghee, which is a good fat. We'll add ghee only for binding, and again we'll grind it and you can see the consistency of the paste. I'll show you. And the laddus are ready. And the third trick is apps, that means application.
These days we have apps for everything, not just tracking whether you have taken the dry fruits daily, but to send the reminders whether you have taken your dry fruits daily or not.
And the fourth trick is keep your dry fruits near to your bed table. So I used to keep the dry fruits near to my table so that I can reach out very soon. And by the way, these almonds are roasted, not the raw one. Some instruction regarding the dry fruits are:
taking dry fruits in empty stomach or morning or evening or night doesn't matter. Taking or including dry fruits in your diet daily is more important. We should not munch the dry fruits in very more quantity because it produces a lot of heat. So it should be taken in very less quantity. So guys, I have shared my experience that how I got to addicted from this dry fruits after knowing the benefits of it, and hopefully these tips and tricks will help you to stay healthy throughout your life. And with this, I want to say goodbye, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.